Hi there, today we're going to learn about a SumIfs formula. It's great for adding up totals based on select criteria you provide. You have your sum range, that's what you want to add up. Your criteria range, which will be where do you want to look for the data. Criteria, what do you want to look for. And if you want to do multiple ranges, you then add your next range, your next criteria. So let's just do a basic SumIfs with one criteria range. It's equals SumIfs. Select first your sum range. In this case, we're going to sum up salary. Go ahead and hit F4, that'll lock it. Now select your criteria range. We're going to select the pay title. So go ahead and select that range. Hit F4 again to lock it. Your first criteria is going to be the cell here. Go ahead and hit F4 3 times. That'll lock the column so that it doesn't move around if you move the formula. You can now close parentheses and you'll see your salary there. Let's copy it down for the others. So we can see 70, 85, and 135, which is what we expected here. Now if we want to do two criteria, let's say we're looking at total pay. Say equals SumIfs. This time we're going to do this range. Go ahead and lock it. Our first criteria is still the same range, pay title. Go ahead and lock that range with F4. Go ahead and select the first cell, hit F4 3 times, that'll lock the column. Second range now is going to be bonus eligible. So select this range, hit F4 to lock it, and now you're going to select the cell that shows the bonus eligible. Hit F4 3 times, that'll lock it, close parentheses, hit enter, and copy it down. And that is your SumIfs with two criteria.